Work in progress. Simplicity 2255. We're doing A, which is a tunic. This is A. This is it in the pattern fabric with some tabs. These are some other options for this pattern, but this is the work that we're going to be doing. Let's see what we have to cut out from the instruction sheet. Let's A and A with the tabs again. Let's see how many pieces we have to deal with. There are 11 in all. Comes with 11. However, for A, we need a front. That's that piece, number 1. We need the pocket. That's pocket piece, number 2. We need a back piece, number 3. We need the front band, 4. Here's number 4. We need a neck band, 5, the neck band, 6, the sleeve. And here we have the sleeve, 7, the sleeve tab, and this is number 7, and 8, the side tab, and here is the side tab, and that's it. Numbers 1 to 8. Work in progress. Simplicity 2255. Hi everyone. Just starting after a long break. This is the back on the fold. This is the very first piece that has been cut. So there's more to be done. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So we have a front and the back. We have a sleeve at the bottom. We have a front band, pocket, sleeve tab, a side tab, and a neck band. And did I say the sleeve was at the bottom? Yes, I did. That's it. That's all there is. Okay, they're all cut now.